In today's video, I am going to teach you how to write a fraction in Google Forms. Google Forms does not include a built-in equation editor like Google Docs, so typing a fraction in a clean vertical format takes a workaround. A reliable method is to use the Equation extension, which creates math expressions as images that you can insert into your form. Start by opening Google Forms and going to a form you are editing. Click into the question text area where you want your fraction to appear. Make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the fraction inserted. Next, open Equation. In the Equation input box, type your fraction as text, such as 1/2. As you type, Equation converts that into a properly formatted fraction. Select the fraction inside Equation so it is ready to insert. Now move back to your Google form. In the question area, use the option to add an image. This is important because the fraction will be inserted as an image, not as normal editable text. When the image window opens, choose the option to insert an image by URL. Go back to Equation and copy the shareable image link for the fraction you created. Paste that link into the URL field in Google Forms. Take a moment to double-check that the entire link is pasted with no missing characters, because an incomplete link will not load the image correctly. After the link is in place, click the Insert Image button. Your fraction should now appear inside the question as an image. If it looks too large or too small, you can adjust the size by clicking the image and using the available sizing handles. Finally, make the fraction look neat within the question layout. Click the Alignment option and choose Center Align so the fraction sits cleanly and is easy to read, especially for math questions or quizzes. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.